Hello guys, welcome back to Java Revisited channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to check a valid perfect square in Java. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. So what is a perfect square number? A perfect square number is a positive integer that is square of an integer. In other words, when we multiply two same numbers together, then the product that we get is called the perfect square. In short, it is the product of two positive equal integers or product of an integer with itself. The property of the perfect square number is that it ends only with 0, 1, 4, 6, 9, and 25. And for example, 49 is 7 multiplied 7, 100 is 10 multiplied 10, and 225 is 15 multiplied 15. So now we understand what this perfect square number is. Let's move to the algorithm part. So I will take this number as an example. Firstly, I will find the square root of the given number. So the square root of 36 is 6. Then I will multiply the square root twice. So I will take 6 multiplied 6 is equal to 36. And if the product of square root is equal to the number given, return true. So as you can see, the 36 is equal to the number given is 36. So this is a perfect square number. So now we will talk about the code which is implemented from the algorithm that I just explained. So this function will take an integer as a parameter, and firstly we should check that given number is a positive integer or not, because a perfect square number is a positive integer. And if it is positive, we will find the square root of that given number using square root method. So sqrt here is a static method of the math class, so we will call it directly by using the class name math here, and then we will take that square root and multiply with itself, and if it is equal to the given number, we will return true, otherwise we will return false. Our main code is nothing much to say. We just call scanner to input an integer and call the is perfect square function that I just created. If that function return true, so it means that that number is a perfect square number. Otherwise, it is not a perfect square number. And now we go run the code. So let me check some numbers. So at first I will check 36. Yeah, 36 is a perfect square because 6 multiplied 6 equal to 36. So how about we check another number? So how about 89? Yeah, 89 is not a perfect square number. So in conclusion, our program and our algorithm is working well without any errors. So if you guys have any question regarding to this program or regarding to this exercise, feel free to comment below. I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, please give us a like and comment your opinion below. And in the next video, I will show you guys how to create a guess number game in Java. So see you guys in the next video.